Hi, today I'm doing a tutorial on Wave by Jobim. It's in the key of C, so the song starts, apart from the introduction, the song starts on a C major, and then it moves into other keys later on. But you will find that a lot of the versions are actually on the web starts on D. I think this one is easier to sing and potentially easier to play. So I'll dive straight in. Introduction is a C minor, followed by an F with a C on the bass. That's all. Okay, C minor 7th, followed by F with the bass on the C here. So fairly straightforward. And then the song starts with a chord of C major 7th. Okay, and then we go to a G sharp diminished, which you can play here if you want. Huh? So da 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 da, ba 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 ba, and G minor 7th. Okay, so as I said, you can start with this kind of C major 7th or C major 7th with the 9th if you want, actually. Da, 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 da. This is a C 7th with the 9th flatted. Huh? Okay. Pa 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 pa. I'll explain the chords. Okay, so we've gone from G minor 7th to a C7 flat 9, F major 7th, F minor 6, okay, as you can see here, and then we go from, this is an E7 with a 6, so it's an E13th if you want, and then this is an E with a flat 13th or a sharp 5. Okay, and then we go to an interesting chord here, which sounds quite nice actually, and it's an A9th. It's an unusual form of an A9th, which you could play like this if you want, like this, okay, or like this. But I think it sounds nice like that. And then we go to an A7th with a flat 9th. Okay, so let me play. And then we land on a D9. So let me play that again. Okay? And then this is where it gets a bit interesting. Okay, so this is a G sharp or A flat like this. Okay, so this is the 9th, followed by, so we said G sharp 9, followed by a G 9. Huh? You can see, okay. And then we go back to the introduction. I'll play that one more time. It's a little bit complicated, but it should be fairly straightforward. Some of these changes actually are fairly standard, really. Yeah? So. Sorry, I did this. This is something that you can do as well, actually, like an F9th instead of just an F. Okay, so there are, you can also play an F 13th, 7, 7, 6. But my favorite is definitely this. Okay. And so this is actually the hardest part. I think we've gone over the hardest part in the song. One of the difficulties I found actually is singing the melody, especially when we get to I find this actually quite difficult to sing. The intervals here are quite unusual. So it's worth actually, if you're trying to sing this and if you have the same difficulties that I had, to try and play the melody as I'm doing here. Okay, I'll play it slowly. Okay, and then we get to the chorus, if you want, which is quite short. So F minor 7th, B flat 7, G minor 7. Okay, you will see some people play this, which is a standard sort of jazz progression, which is an E flat major 7. Okay, but in the Jobim score it says G minor 7th. So I'll play it again. And then we go to E flat minor, or E flat minor 9 here in my case. Okay, A flat 13 or 7/6. Okay, so this is a D flat major 7 with a 9th. And back to like a sort of G 9th with a suspension, if you want, or without the suspension. I think it goes nicely with the suspension because you've got the two notes that start the verse again. So it's a nice way to finish and then start again. Finish like this. So it's a fairly easy song, fairly straightforward, but I thought it was worth going through the chords because there are some little subtleties, like this chord here. This one is a little bit tricky to play. So and the choices to make actually when it comes to the introduction and the little interlude in the song. So small choices to make, but a lovely song to play, a little bit difficult to sing in one specific part. So there you are, that was Wave Tom Jobim. Good luck.